Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Just dropped the Bimmer off to my brother for the last drive for the final time. So now he's got it, and it's forever home. Time to be a passenger princess in the red Civic. On farewell to the Bimmer. I did the last drive in it. It's very sad. It's in its forever home now. This is my brother's raggedy Golf. He says 1,000 likes and we'll get it fixed. So let's not, but if so, we will do it. I'm just doing a walkway. Super sad. Now cue the sad Now we are on our way home after dropping off the Bimmer.
Ka-chow!
The ka-chow was on there, I didn't talk the real button.
Ka-chow!
No, it's just locked right now, so we're just going to carry on recording because it's locked. Nah. Get some elevator music going on. No, I'll just get the. I will just get the YouTube to put the music in the background.
Where am I going? I was going to this way.
You were.
That one. I'll go this one.
Passenger princess.
Oh yeah.
And remember, guys, if cabbage can, you can too.